Welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll walk you through how to use Uber for ride-sharing, ensuring you can go anywhere you need with ease. Follow these step-by-step instructions to make the most of your Uber experience. 1. Download the Uber app. Start by downloading the Uber app from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. Simply search for Uber and click the download button. Once installed, open the app. 2. Sign up or log in. If you're a new user, tap on Sign Up and fill in the required details such as your name, phone number, email address, and payment information. If you already have an account, simply log in with your credentials. 3. Set your pickup location. Once logged in, the app will automatically detect your current location using GPS. If you want to be picked up from a different location, tap on the pickup location box and enter your desired address, or drag the pin on the map to the right spot. 4. Enter your destination. In the Where To box, type in your destination. The app will show you the distance and estimated fare for your ride. 5. Choose your ride. Option. After entering your destination, you'll see various ride options available, e.g., UberX, Uber XL, Uber Black. Select the one that best suits your needs. Each option provides a different level of service and pricing. 6. Request your ride. Once you've chosen your ride type, tap on the Confirm button. The app will start searching for nearby drivers to fulfill your request. 7. Wait for your driver. Once a driver accepts your request, the app will display their name, car model, and license plate number, along with an estimated arrival time. 8. Meet your driver. Go to your pickup location and wait for your driver to arrive. Make sure to confirm their identity by checking the details provided in the app before getting in the car. 9. Enjoy the ride. Once you're in the vehicle, sit back and enjoy the ride. You can follow the route on the app to ensure you're headed in the right direction. 10. Payment and rating. At the end of your trip, payment will be processed automatically through the app using the payment method you set up. You'll also have the option to rate your driver and leave feedback. By following these steps, you can easily navigate and use Uber's ride-sharing service to go anywhere you want. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and happy riding.